Looks like I've got a big fat mess in my kitchen, but I think I'm organized. I normally make my chicken and dumplings in a saucepan, but you can't see in a saucepan, so this is an experiment. We're using a frying pan. 4 cups of bottled water, because my tap water's got sodium in it. 4 packages of Herb Hawk's sodium-free chicken bouillon, and they make it in beef too. 12 ounces of boneless, skinless chicken breast, cut up just a little bit. 225 milligrams of sodium. Celery, chopped. 110 grams, just about 1 cup, 81 milligrams of sodium. Carrots, I've used shredded, I've just chopped them, but these are called matchsticks, and I just thought they were kind of cute. 3 ounces, just about 1 cup, 65 milligrams of sodium. Garlic, minced, small clove, doesn't take much, 1 milligram. 1/2 of a medium onion, chopped, 2 milligrams of sodium. I have about 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. You're going to sit it back here because it's almost the last thing that goes in. I'm going to put a lid on this so we don't lose more broth than what we have to, and simmer it until the chicken and all these veggies are done. While it's cooking, we're going to do some dumplings. 1 tablespoon unsalted butter at room temperature. 1 cup of all-purpose flour sifted in with 1 teaspoon Hain Featherweight baking powder, sodium-free. Order this from Amazon or Healthy Heart Market. Regular baking powder has 520 for 1 teaspoon. Sift it in there. Add 1/2 cup of milk. My milk is 60 milligrams of sodium, and stir it. Make your dough. It's going to be sticky. Yeah, it's good. How sticky it is? That's okay. We're going to knead it until it's smooth. I kneaded it for about 3 minutes, adding just about a tablespoon of flour, a little bit at a time, until it's not sticky anymore, and it's a smooth dough. Time to roll it out. Don't be afraid to use some flour on your surface and on your rolling pan. Add more flour as you need it. I'm going to roll these and then cut them in strips. About 1 inch by 2 inches. Put a little more flour on them and stack them on the plate so we can cook them. If we don't use the flour, we end up with one big dumpling that isn't going to cook right. Roll these out and cut them. you subscribe to my channel, every Friday you'll get a brand new low sodium recipe. I took the chicken and some of the vegetables out of the broth with a slotted spoon. They're going to cool. And then I'll shred the chicken, because after the dumplings get done, it goes back in the pot. We're ready for dumplings. I'm going to put them in here gently. It usually takes them 15 or 20 minutes to cook. Mine are, I think they're about 1/8 of an inch. You don't want to get them too thick, because then they just don't cook right. Don't put a cover on them. We're going to put them all in there. And occasionally, we'll stir them gently. They've got a lot of flour on them. Sometimes the flour that's on them is enough that the broth is thick when the dumplings get finished cooking. But sometimes it's not thick enough, and we just have to add thickener. 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water till it's nice and smooth. If we need it, we'll have it ready. I think it's because there's a large surface area in this frying pan that I had to add 1 cup of water with 1 more package of herb ox chicken bouillon to be able to cook all my dumplings. It is now time for a taste test. Oh, that's good. But I like a little creamier. I have 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Add that, stir it up, and do your taste test. You may want a little bit more. This is the way we like it. Now, everything's cooked. Take it off the burner. Stir in the parsley